Hi, this is Josh from MYOB Enterprise Solutions. In this video, we're going to look at how to generate requests and requisitions in MYOB Advanced. In many cases, the purchasing process begins with the creation of a purchase order, but you can use the purchase requisition features to create and manage requests for goods and services, which can then be used to generate a purchase order once they've been processed. The first step in the requisition process is to generate a request. This can record an external request from a customer or an internal request, such as an employee requesting supplies. The request class indicates what kind of request it is. Depending on how the classes are set up, users may only be able to make requests for a subset of stock items, and the request may be subject to a budget. To raise a request, select the customer or employee who the request is for, and then add the items requested to the table below. Once the details are complete, click Save to lodge the request. If approvals are set up for requests in your system, the request may need to be approved by a user with sufficient privileges before it's set to open. Once lodged, requests can be processed into purchase requisitions, from which documents like purchase orders, quotes, or sales orders can be generated. You can create a new requisition from scratch and add items to it manually, but in general requisitions are created from one or more lodged requests. There are two ways to do this. You can create a new requisition record on the requisition screen and use the Add Requested Items button to automatically add in items from one or more requests. Or you can use the Create Requisition screen, which lets you select one or more requests and process them into a single requisition in one operation. The requisitions process can be as simple or as detailed as you want it to be. In addition to including standard approvals processes, requisitions can also involve a bidding process where you request quotes from multiple suppliers, record their responses, and then choose which of them you want to use. Bidding is optional though. You can also just enter the supplier you know you want to use straight away. Once the requisition has been entered and approved, you can use the options on the Actions drop-down to automatically create orders for the items in the requisition. If you've chosen to source the requested items from multiple suppliers, the system will create one purchase order for each supplier. And that's the end of our look at the requisitions process in MYOB Advanced. If you want to learn more, visit the MYOB Advanced Education Centre or see the other videos in our Advanced Academy series for more information on the purchasing process. Thanks for watching.